We are going to look at a game changer in computing. Today, we're going to look at Comput3ai. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a programmer, or a Web3 DJ, we have the breakdown of Comput3ai for you. My name is Mike, this is Crypto Warehouse, and what we're going to do is spend the next 10 minutes going through Comput3ai. What is it? How does it work? What are the benefits? Then, we're going to take a look at the tokenomics, look at the price action, and see what the future holds for Comput3ai. Before we begin, however, can we please ask you to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse and help us make more videos like this? Now, let's get into it. What is Comput3ai? At its very core then, Comput3ai is a decentralized GPU computing platform built on the Solana blockchain. Unlike traditional cloud giants like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Azure, which rely on centralized infrastructure, Comput3ai connects users directly to a peer-to-peer network of GPU providers. Think of it as an Airbnb for computational power. Anyone with spare GPUs can offer them, and developers can access them instantly. So here's how it works. Comput3ai leverages Solana's high-speed, low-cost blockchain to create a marketplace where GPU resources are sourced, paid for, and managed with crypto. Their platform, already live, offers access to high-end GPUs like NVIDIA's H100s, A100s, and H200s at prices as low as $1 per hour. That is a fraction of what you pay on centralized platforms. But it's not just about renting GPUs. Comput3ai is fully open source, meaning the community can contribute to its development, and it's designed with privacy in mind, ensuring your workloads stay secure. Plus, it supports multi-GPU load balancing for heavy tasks like AI training or rendering. And it even integrates with tools like Comput3ai for seamless workflows. In short, Comput3ai is redefining how we access and scale computational power by making it decentralized, affordable, and community-driven. Now that's a lot of information. So what I've done is I've tried to pick out the salient points. What are the biggest advantages then of using Comput3ai? First of all, cost efficiency. Centralized cloud providers charge a premium for GPU access, sometimes $3, $5, $10 per hour for high-end hardware. Comput3ai slashes that to around $1 per hour by cutting out the middleman and leveraging a decentralized network. For developers working on AI models, rendering, or blockchain apps, that is a massive saving. 66 to 90% in fact. Secondly, privacy by design. Unlike centralized platforms where your data might be monitored or stored, Comput3ai prioritizes security. Your workloads run on a private, peer-to-peer network, reducing the risk of data breaches or surveillance. This is huge for companies and industries like AI or healthcare, where privacy is non-negotiable. Let's not mention Coinbase, shall we? Third, scalability and flexibility. Comput3ai's multi-GPU load balancing means you can scale up for massive tasks like training large language models or rendering 3D animations, then scale down when you're done. Their usage-based billing ensures you only pay for what you need, unlike cloud subscriptions. Fourth, open source community power. Being fully open source, Comput3ai invites developers to contribute to its codebase, fostering innovation and transparency. This community-driven approach could lead to faster updates and more tailored features compared to proprietary systems. And finally, Solana's blockchain edge. The lightning-fast transactions and low fees make Comput3ai's marketplace efficient and cost-effective. Whether you're paying for compute or earning as a GPU provider, the process is seamless. Now, these benefits give you a cheaper alternative, a more private alternative, and by including the community, fostering a community spirit to build a bigger, better, faster solution that will benefit everybody. So why should you be looking at Comput3ai? Let's go and break it down for you. For developers then, Comput3ai is a dream come true. Whether you're building AI models, rendering for the metaverse, or accelerating on-chain apps, you get affordable, scalable compute without the hassle of centralized gatekeepers. Posts on X highlight how developers can spin up workflows in seconds, bypassing the dependency hell of platforms like Amazon Web Services or RunPod. For AI and blockchain innovators, Comput3ai is a glimpse into the future. As AI and decentralized apps grow, access to affordable compute is critical. Comput3ai's integration with Solana positions it at the heart of Web3, where speed and cost matter. Plus, its privacy focus makes it ideal for sensitive applications. For investors and tech enthusiasts, Comput3ai's $3 million valuation and early traction suggest it's a project to watch. While it's smaller than Web2 giants, its nimble team of ex-Amazon Web Service and NVIDIA engineers and community-driven model could drive exponential growth. As one ex-post put it, Comput3ai is the GPU infra play that hasn't had its big run yet. The bigger picture is this. Comput3ai challenges the cloud oligarchy. By decentralizing compute, it empowers individuals and small teams to compete with big tech. If you believe in a future where power is distributed, not hoarded, Comput3ai is worth exploring. Now, a lot is happening with Comput3ai. An awful lot is happening as I am recording and going to edit this video. It's a fast-moving project. Only today it was listed on MEXC. Only today did the price go over 1 cent. There's a lot happening. By the time this video goes out, my price predictions are likely to be wrong. Please bear that in mind. We've caught this at the very early stages. So first of all, let's take a look at the tokenomics and vesting. This project is not VC backed. There are currently 50% of the tokens in circulation. An additional 10% was unlocked on the 6th of May. This was to do with moneymakers, liquidity, customer incentives, and of course, SEX listings, as we've just mentioned with MEXC and potentially others. 10% will be unlocked in June. This is aimed at developer incentives, GPU onboarding, and more SEX listings and partnerships. A further 10% will be unlocked on the 6th of July. This is to help monetize the marketplace. And there is a long-term lock, a long-term vesting. Now, this is a very good set of tokenomics. Already 50% in circulation, with an additional 20 to 30% being released over the course of the next 4 to 5 weeks. That puts a total of 80% of the tokens in circulation. Unlike the likes of Trump and meme coins, where their circulating supply is only 25%, this is a serious project with serious tokenomics, and this is something I would expect. Now, with regards to price action then, CoinMarketCap is still trying to play catch up. COM is not listed on there yet. I would expect that any day now. As I said earlier in this video, the price of the token had gone above 1 cent, but that still leaves it with a very small market cap. So the question is, where would a token like this go? That's a difficult question to answer, but we should be looking at hundreds of millions of dollars for the market cap, not tens. Why? Because this is a disruptive project. I'm going to go into this a little bit more with some price predictions after we've finished with our conclusion. So Comput3 Comput3ai in a nutshell. What is it? It's a decentralized GPU computing platform that's cheaper, private, and built for the future. Whether you're a developer looking to save on compute, an innovator building the next big AI or Web3 app, or just curious about decentralized tech, Comput3ai is worth checking out. So that's the conclusion of what Comput3ai is. But there's two things I kind of want to cover at the end of this video. Number one, I'm going to show you a clip of the CEO. And we don't normally do this. We normally review projects, give price targets, talk about the tech. But I want you to watch this element of the video, and I want you to see the passion in his eyes. This is what strikes me about Comput3ai. I've given you all the tech reasons to use it, the privacy, how cheap it is. But now I want you to understand something. This is not a corporate giant. This is people who are passionate about AI, passionate about the project that they have built. They've opened it up to the community. Anybody can add and benefit this project. And I want you to watch this segment now, and I want you to listen to what he has to say. Listen to how he describes the project, how excited he gets. And then at the end of it, I'm going to show you a few clips of how he talks about other elements of his project. That's the first thing.
So the first thing that we did is use the public inferencing API. Obviously, those GPUs are running. We didn't have to launch them or anything like that. What do we do here? We launch the freaking GPU. We launch our own GPU on Compute. I don't even know where it is in the world. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in the world, guys. It's somewhere on planet Earth. This GPU is running, and it's running our inferencing API. Distributed compute, follow the infra, Comput3ai.
So that's the passion that this team has for this project. Now, where do I think the price will go? And that is, I don't know. I think the project has the potential to go towards $300 or $400 million. That's probably not what the Comput3ai degens want me to say, or the people seriously invested in this project. It certainly can become a $1 billion project, but it's been live for 3 weeks. We need to take baby steps with every project that we cover on this channel. We have a responsibility to the people that watch these videos to not give you moon boy predictions. So I think this could go to the low $100 millions at the beginning. It's already showing good signs. Being listed on MEXC is the first of many exchanges that are going to list it. Their partnerships that they have are too many to mention in this video. This is a moving story. This is a project we've caught really early on. On Saturday, when we bought into this project, we bought into it on the knowledge that it has potential, and that's what it has. It has potential. And that's what I want to get across to you in this video. I want you to go and check out Comput3ai. I want you to go and follow them on X. I want you to go and watch some of their videos on YouTube. I want you to get a feel for this project because it's disruptive and they have passion. And they're the two things I want you to take away from this video. Not just the price action, but the passion and the disruptive nature of what they are building over there. Anyway, if you've got to the end of this video and you've liked what we've had to say, please make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse. Help us grow the channel. It's a struggle right now to get followers on YouTube, a real struggle. So anyone out there that wants to subscribe to us, we would greatly appreciate it. So thank you for watching. You, as always, have been great. I have been Mike. Until the next video, adios.